When you are stuck in traffic, you can also practice your breathwork to make you feel more at ease. And we'll use your hands for this one. When you inhale through the nose, take the longest inhale that you can, and you are pumping with your fists. On your exhale, you want to exhale everything out through your lips, like you're blowing through a straw, and let your fingers just slowly roll out and stretch your fingers outward as much as you can. While you do that, just keep your hands down and soften your shoulders. So let's do this together. Exhale everything out first, and then take the longest inhale that you can, pumping at your hands. At the end of your inhale, slowly exhale through the lips and let your fingers open up slowly. Once again, inhale and exhale. We'll take one more. Inhale and exhale. You can take a few more just like that, and then after, just take a deep breath in and exhale, sigh it out.